Hello there. Is your Hotpoint washing machine acting up? Don't worry. This video will show you how to reset it. It's a simple fix. It might solve your problem. Let's get started. First, we'll cover why you might need to reset your washing machine. Then, we'll go through the steps. Finally, we'll talk about what to do if the reset doesn't work. There are a few reasons why you might need to reset your Hotpoint washing machine. Sometimes, the machine might freeze. It might not respond to any buttons. This can happen due to a power surge. It can also happen because of a software glitch. Another reason is an error code. The machine might display a code on the screen. This indicates a problem. A reset can sometimes clear these codes. It gets your machine working again. Now, let's look at the reset steps. These steps are quite simple. First, turn off the washing machine. Make sure the power button is off. Unplug the machine from the wall socket. This is important. It cuts off the power supply completely. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the machine to fully discharge. Plug the washing machine back into the wall socket. Turn the power on. Select a short wash cycle. This could be a rinse cycle or a quick wash program. Start the cycle. Let the machine run for a minute or two. Then, stop the cycle. Turn off the washing machine again. This completes the reset process. Now, test your washing machine. Try running a normal wash cycle. See if the problem is gone. If the reset worked, great. You've saved yourself a call to an engineer. However, sometimes a reset won't fix the issue. What should you do then? If the problem persists, there might be a more serious issue. It could be a faulty component. Perhaps a problem with the motor. Or a blocked drain. In these cases, you'll need professional help. Contact a qualified appliance repair technician. They can diagnose the problem properly. They can repair the machine safely. Don't try to fix it yourself. This could make the problem worse. It can also be dangerous. Also, check your user manual. It might have troubleshooting tips. It might have specific instructions for your model. And finally, remember to maintain your washing machine. Clean the detergent drawer regularly. Clean the filter. This will help prevent future problems. It extends the life of your machine. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you reset your Hotpoint washing machine. If you found this video useful, please like it. Subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Consider supporting the channel through likes and comments.